Snowflakes on a window pane, whispers of December's chill, memories of lobster's rain echo in the night so still. Fireside tales of seasons past, woolen mitts and frosty air, walking through a world so vast, hand in hand without a care. Oh, Christmas time of yesteryears, when joy was simple, pure and clear. Songs of old and twinkling lights guide us through these winter nights. Candles in the windows glow, silent nights and gentle bells, tales of Santa that we know, in our hearts where magic dwells. Stockings hanging by the hearth, filled with dreams from long ago, rediscovering the mirth of a world in soft white snow. Oh, Christmas time of yesteryears, when joy was simple, pure and clear. Songs of old and twinkling lights guide us through these winter nights. Candles in the windows glow, silent nights and gentle bells, tales of Santa that we know, in our hearts where magic dwells.
Oh, I had a dream as a child, living in a house made of ice that never melts, with a fireplace inside. And I let the dream be forgotten, but I know it still lives somewhere in the scent of cinnamon and cloves. Swims in my paw, little cup of tea, lovely dream of mine. Santa, please come to remind. Merry Christmas to you. Covered up in the snow and blanket as I listen to some nutcracker sweet.